Did you know that you can reduce your cholesterol levels and improve your health by doing yoga? That's right. Some simple and effective yoga poses can help lower the bad cholesterol levels in your body. And for that, we are going to do 3 easy asanas right now. So let's get started. The first asana is Shalabasana, also called as the locust pose. Now, how to do this pose? To begin with, lie down on your abdomen, chin resting on the mat, legs stretched full length, toes pointing outwards. Rest the arms by the sides, palms facing down, slightly pushed under the thighs. Close the eyes and be at ease, maintaining body awareness. Exhaling, raise the right leg, kept straight, as high as possible, without lifting the hips. Keeping the left leg firmly on the ground. While raising the leg, secure the palms and contract the lower back muscles. Maintain this pose for 10 seconds. Inhaling, gently bring the raised foot down to attain starting position. Exhaling, raise the left leg as high as possible without lifting the hips. Keeping the right leg firmly on the ground. While raising the leg, secure the palms and contract the lower back muscles. Maintain this pose for 10 seconds. Inhaling, gently bring the raised foot down to attain starting position. Now perform the asana with both the legs rising simultaneously. Exhaling, lift both the legs off. Maintain this pose for 10 seconds. Inhaling, bring the legs back down. This completes 1 round. This pose improves the functioning of our liver, which helps to reduce bad cholesterol. It also improves kidney function, digestion, and it strengthens our entire spine. However, people having hernia, hypertension, heart ailments, peptic ulcer must avoid this pose. People with a protruding belly will have difficulty lying in a prone position, so avoid this pose. Women during pregnancy must avoid this pose. The next asana is Supta Hasta Padangushta Asana, which means the lying down, hand to big toe pose. Now, how to do this pose? Lie down on the mat with legs together and palms facing down on either side of the body. Inhaling, raise the right arm up, and exhaling, raise the right leg up. Try to hold the big toe. If you're unable to hold the toe, place your palm wherever it can reach. Stay here for 10 to 20 seconds. Now release the leg first and then the hand. Repeat the same with left arm and left leg. Now we will raise both the legs simultaneously. Inhaling, raise both the arms. Exhaling, raise both the legs. Hold the big toes. Stay here for 10 to 20 seconds. Now release your legs, placing them gently down on your mat and then lower your arms. This completes 1 round. Practice 3 rounds in all. This pose activates your liver and kidneys, improves the functioning of your digestive and reproductive systems, and relieves menstrual disorders in women. However, people suffering from hernia, arthritis, hip and spine injuries must avoid this pose. The next pose is Paschimottanasana, that is a seated forward bend. Now, how to do this pose? To begin with, sit on a mat with legs fully stretched and toes facing upward. Keep the spine straight, shoulders and neck firm in its place. Hands beside the body, palms facing down. Inhaling, raise both the arms by the side of the ears. Exhaling, bend forward and stretch the arms forward, giving a nice length to your spine all the way down. Now curve the spine and hold the big toes and gently place the elbows on the mat. Gently pull the elbows down to touch the ground and bend the head to bring the forehead to the knees. Rest the forehead in the space between the knees and maintain this posture, breathing normally. Stay here for 10 to 20 seconds. Now inhaling, raise the arms and head together, gently straighten the spine, and while exhaling, bring the arms down with a backward rotation. Repeat this pose 3 times. Apart from improving your liver function, this pose also helps in reducing constipation and flatulence and improves your spine flexibility. However, this pose must be avoided by people having hernia, hypertension, heart ailments, peptic ulcers, abdominal inflammations, hyperthyroid, serious spinal disorders, myopia, glaucoma, and serious eye disorders. It should also be avoided by women during pregnancy. Yoga reduces the level of LDL, that is the bad cholesterol, which can lead to heart ailments or even stroke if not controlled. We want the levels of HDL, that's the good cholesterol, in our body to be optimum. This HDL travels around in our bloodstream, gathering up surplus LDL cholesterol and bringing it to our liver to be recycled. That is why the poses that we just did were targeted towards improving liver function. HDL cleans your bloodstream and you can raise your HDL levels with yoga techniques. So why not give these poses a try and see the positive changes for yourself. However, do make sure to consult a medical practitioner before you try these poses at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.